Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm gonna share a very quick dessert recipe using an air fryer. This air fried Oreos taste delicious and it takes only 10 minutes to make. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to fry Oreos in the air fryer. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. First, spread out the crescent dough onto a cutting board or counter. Just cut it into triangle shaped dough or press down into each perforated line so it forms one big sheet and cut the dough into eighths. Place an Oreo cookie in the center of each of the crescent roll piece and roll them up the rest of the crescent roll to make sure it covers the entire Oreo cookie. Do not stretch the crescent roll too thin or it will break. Preheat the air fryer to 320 Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can use any sandwich cookie of your choice, even you can use chocolates instead of cookies. Gently place them in an air fryer basket or tray. Once the preheating is done, keep the tray inside. Make sure not to overcrowd the dough because they will stick together when cooked and cause the dough to cook unevenly. Cook Oreos on 320 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown on the outside. It's done. Carefully remove the air fried Oreos from the air fryer and immediately dust them with powdered sugar if desired. Let them cool down for a couple of minutes and enjoy them. Our super delicious air fried Oreos are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.